Reflection of light exercise. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. 1. The perpendicular to the mirror at the point of incidence is called. Answer. The perpendicular to the mirror at the point of incidence is called normal. Question number 2. Reflection of light. The reflection of light from a wooden surface is dash dash reflection is dash dash reflection. Answer. The reflection of light from a wooden surface is diffuse reflection. 3. The working of kaleidoscope is based on properties of dash dash. Answer. The working of kaleidoscope based on properties of reflection of light. Question number 2. Draw a figure describing the following. The reflecting surface of two mirrors make an angle of 90 degrees with each other. If a ray incident of one mirror has an angle of incidence 30 degrees, draw the ray reflected from the second mirror. What will be its angle of reflection? Answer of question number 2. Blades are to be the angle of reflection from the second mirror. So, friends, draw these diagrams and write these following laws. From laws of reflection, angle I1 is equal to angle R1 is equal to 30 degrees. Now, in triangle ABC, 0 is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 30 degree. Hence, R2 is equal to 60 degree. The angle of reflection of incident ray is 60 degree. Question number 3. How will you explain the statement we cannot see the objects in dark room? So, answer of question number 3 is light enables us to see objects around us. We see an object when lights fall on it and gets reflected from its surface and enters our eyes. In a dark room, there is no source of light, thus no light falls on the surface of object and hence we do not see them. This is why we cannot see objects in a dark room. Question number 4. Explain the differences between regular and irregular reflection light. First, we will explain regular reflection of light. This type of reflection occurs on smooth surface such as a plane mirror. Second, in this type of reflection, the reflected rays are parallel to each other. Third, in this type of reflection, the reflected rays are in one direction. Irregular reflection of light. This type of reflection occurs on rough surface such as a blackboard. In this type of reflection, the reflected rays are non-parallel to each other. Third, in this type of reflection, the reflected rays are in different directions. So, question number 5. Draw a figure showing the following. So, first, incident ray. Second, P, angle of incidence. P, angle of reflection. D, point of incidence. And E, reflected ray. So, here in this diagram we are showing all of these points. Incident ray, angle of incidence, angle of reflection, mirror, point of incidence and reflected ray. So draw this diagram in your notebook. Question number 6. Study the following incident. Swara and Yash are looking in a water filled vessel. They could see their images clearly in the still water. At the instant, just throw a stone in the water. Now their images were blurred. Swara could not understand the reason of blurring of the images. Explain the reason for a blurring of the images to Swara by answering the following question. 1. Is there a relation between the reflection of light and the blurring of images? So answer of first is yes, there is relation between the reflection of light and blurring of images. Second, which types of reflection of light can you notice from this? Answer of second is instantly the water was still and its surface was smooth. Thus regular type of reflection was taking place from its surface. All the all the lights rays coming from Swara's body or Yash body is reflected in same direction on hitting the water surface and touched our eyes. Because of this, we saw a clear image. But when Yash threw a stone in the water surface become a rough, due to which irregular type of reflection of light occur on its surface. All the light's rays coming from Swara's body or Yash body reflected in different direction on the hitting the water surface. Thus only some part of the reflected ray reached our eyes. Because of this we see blurred image. Question 3. Are laws of reflection followed in this type of reflection? Answer of question number 3. Yes, laws of reflection are followed in both the types of reflection. Question number 7. Solve the following examples. A. If the angle between the plane mirror and the incident ray is 40 degrees, what are the angles of incidence and reflection? So answer of A, question number 7A. So plane mirror is this and incident ray is this. So as shown in the answer, angle I plus 40 degree is equal to 90 degree. So angle I is equal to 50 degree. Using the laws of reflection, we have learned I is equal to R is equal to 50 degree. So R is equal to reflected ray and normal measurement angle is 50 degree. B. Normal. Question number B. If the angle between the mirror and reflected ray is 23 degree, is the angle of incidence of the incidence ray? Answer. As shown in diagram, angle R plus 23 degree is equal to 90 degree is equal to R is equal to 67 degree. Means 90 degree minus 23 degree is equal to 67 degree. Using laws of reflection, we have learned I is equal to R is equal to 67 degree. So we finished the exercise of reflection of light. If you like this video, then please subscribe our channel. Reflection